Hey guys, Eric here from Top Guns of Terre Haute, Indiana. On today's episode of Rangetalk, we're going to be talking about range etiquette. Stick around, you're going to learn a lot. Guys, one of the main problems I see when people come to a public range is they want to handle their firearm off of the firing line. This is an absolute no-go. It's not only unsafe, but it's uncourteous to other shooters and the range safety officers. So in this situation, what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk back to my range bag, retrieve my firearm in the case, move it to the shooting line in the case, and then and only then will I uncase my gun. We see people all the time, they want to handle their firearms back here in the seating area of this particular range. And like I said, not only is it unsafe, it's rude. People don't appreciate having people that they don't know, especially, handling a firearm behind their back. I sure don't like it, and I know you don't either. Guys, the next thing we see people do that is not only unsafe but uncourteous to other shooters is muzzle discipline, specifically while they're chambering, say, their first round in their firearm. So when I pick this gun up, you notice I keep the muzzle downrange all the time. That muzzle is downrange 100% of the time while I'm shooting. So what I do is I work around the gun. The gun stays downrange, I can move my body around it. Say, for example, if I needed to come over the top and chamber around. Muzzle stays downrange, come over the top, cycle it. I've done that safely and efficiently. What we do see people do that is an absolute no-go is this. Can you step over here, Crystal? So rather than work around the gun, they'll bring the gun over like this and chamber the round. Now, if there's another shooter over here, anything but safe. And once again, we violated one of the basic rules of firearm safety of keeping our muzzle downrange. Pay attention to these rules, try to use them. It will make you a safer shooter. Guys, if you like what you've seen here today, please like, comment, and share. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please shoot those to us. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.